Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings, so we have to tap on them. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And here we have to scroll down in order to find the status section, so let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.